Hello and good afternoon, everybody over at RS Electric Construction. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Came across your guys' website today and wanted to give you this custom video showing you guys how you guys can change your website around, adjust it so you can start getting more traffic to your website and turning that traffic into actual paying customers. So, guys, with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. We're going to compare and contrast your guys' website to your top competition in your area right now, which is Jeremy Electric. We're going to show you guys some of the back end things that need to be done as well. Not to mention, we're also going to briefly go over the Google My Business Map Pack portion of the search engine as well. So, with that being said, we have your guys' website right here. One thing I was kind of surprised by is that you guys don't have any other pages. This is strictly all that you have right here right now. And it almost gets to be a little bit much. It's almost, I don't really know where to start or even where to go for reading wise, other than the fact that I see that right here, you guys are the electric professionals. So with that being said, not to mention websites also need content, right? Lots and lots of content. Google loves content. And we're going to show you an example here right now of what your top dog, Jeremy Electric, is doing over in your guys' area currently at this moment. These guys are absolutely dominating it. This is what their website looks like, right? We've got good, easy tabs that we can go into. We've got a good click to call button, 2 different numbers. We can request a service, call to action buttons as well, clear images on what their services are, and a little bit of content. Even these guys don't have as much content as they probably should. This stuff right here is nice, but all in all, the more important things is having a good looking site, something that's functional for your guys' customers to look at and to play around with. So on the back end of things, though, also we can look at what you guys are doing for your data or your analytics wise. I see that your guys' website currently has 85 backlinks connected to it. You guys are targeting 35 keywords. A few of the things we like to do is go into the keywords, kind of figure out how we can improve, is see what you guys are searching right now, right? So these are all of the keywords that you guys currently have. This is right here is the search volume of it and what position you guys are in as well. We see a lot of 20s and 30s and 10s. And we want to compare that to Jeremy Electric, right? So these guys are really killing it with their website, the way it's designed, but they're also doing really well with their SEO, search engine optimization end of it as well. They have all kinds of good backlinks. We'll go over that in a second. My apologies, I wanted to be in keywords. But we can figure out what they have for organic keywords. You can see the numbers that are possible here, with some time and some money put into this. It's pretty easy to get, honestly. It just takes time. But keywords are super, super important to have. It really defines what kind of search volume you guys are going to end up having, right? And so we'll take a look at this right here. So when we load up their keywords, we can see that they have keywords like electrical questions, right? This is 500 search volume, 300, 5, 8,800, 2,900, 200, 200. So these guys are just generating a ton of traffic from their site just by their keywords alone. Not to mention, we can't have just keywords. We also need to have the backlinks as well. Backlinks are actually what boost us up into the rankings. We can have a keyword into our website but never be found for it because we don't have the backlinks to prove the trust and the verification. Same thing, we want to go into their backlinks and figure out, hey, what kinds of good backlinks do they have? How many citations do they have? How many guest posts do they have, right? So we want to go through and find all of their backlinks that these guys are currently using and start targeting into your website. Not to mention, we also have the Google My Business Map Pack, right? You guys are at the bottom. I think it's bottom of the second or top of the second page here right now. Middle of the second page. You guys have 8 reviews. You guys have all of this good information. You guys don't have an about summary for you guys, and you definitely need to have a lot more photos. And the way we can tell where you guys kind of are sitting right now is if we go to the first page of the Google My Business portion. All right, so we search Kansas City, Missouri, and the first thing that pops up for electricians is these Google guaranteed ads. One great way to get to the top of any organic search or even on this Google Map Pack portion is to pay for Google guaranteed ads, right? Google will put you right up top since you're giving them the money, but we want to do it organically, right? We don't want to have to pay for ads. So we can look and compare. We have 713 reviews. Jeremy Electrical has got 360 reviews. We can also look at their business profile and see what that has. So I can see there's a bunch more photos here, right? So we want to compare how many photos that they have versus how many you guys have, and we want to match up to that and then go above and beyond. 360 reviews, great. They have all of this laid out, request a quote option, they're posting on here. They also have a very detailed about section. So with that being said, I know there's a ton of information for you guys, but now you guys can use this at your discretion. Just wanted to send you out this helpful video kind of showing how to start doing that. With that being said, guys, my name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I hope you guys found this video useful. Feel free to contact me back with some feedback, some questions, comments, concerns if need be. Other than that, thank you guys. Have a great day.